One of the biggest questions that I get asked is how much money do I actually need to get into the market? And that's what we're going to be speaking about here in this video today. Now, I am going to make it very simple for all of the different people out there, whether you have a little bit of money, a medium-sized amount of money, or a whole lot of money. We're going to break it down into those three categories right after this intro. So you just started your trading journey and you're looking at all of these different videos on YouTube. You feel like you've gotten your tutorials down packed, but one of the questions that you have in your mind is how much money will it actually take you to trade any different market? This could be the crypto market, this could be stocks, options, forex, whatever the case may be. I am going to give you my opinion on how much you would actually need. Now, one thing that I will say for certain, no matter which market you actually pick, when you find a broker and you decide it's time to go ahead and make a deposit and you're ready to start your live trading journey, I think the amount it would take is pretty much the same across any market. Now, what's going to be the deciding factor really is, number one, what kind of trader you actually want to become, because I'll say the amount of money you'll need will definitely depend on whether you're trying to be a day trader or whether you're trying to become a swing trader. The leverage on exchanges that you use could be different in those two different scenarios, which will in return make you more money or less money, and how many trades you're actually taking per day and per week. So you have to figure out whether you would like to be a day trader or swing trader. That's the first number one thing. After you go ahead and you get that figured out, I would definitely say the second thing that you need to get figured out is how much money, like what's your goal? How much money are you looking to make in the market, day trading or swing trading, every day, every week, and every month? I would say per year, but that might just be a tad bit too far out. But let's say every week and every day. You know what? Even a day might be too short. Let's stick to every week, every month. Now, for the small person out there who's just looking to go ahead and get their feet wet and they don't really have too big of expectations of the amount of money that they're looking to make from the market every month, I would definitely say this beginning trader would need at least $1,000 to $2,000 inside of their trading account, so that way they could start to take trades that have a tad bit amount in them. Because if you're using proper money management, I do have a video on that in my channel. If you guys aren't subscribed, I do definitely recommend you go ahead and get subscribed. That way you'll get notifications and you can go ahead and check out the other previous videos on our channel. So if you're using somewhere around 2 to 3% inside of a trade and you have a $2,000 trading account, you now have the ability to do $100 trades to go ahead and get yourself comfortable. Now, once you go ahead and advance up just a tad bit, I would say when you get to the point inside of your trading journey where you're looking to actually make some decent money to the point where you're not rich, you're not killing it, you're not balling, but you're making just enough money to take care of everything you need to take care of in your life. I would say when you're looking to get to that point, you need to be trading an account that has at least $10,000 to $20,000. So that way, if you're sticking to proper risk management and you're putting 2 to 3% actually in there, we have $200 to $300 trades. And if you're taking medium-sized risk to reward ratios where you're getting a 3 to 1, let's hypothetically say, you can easily be profiting a decent couple $100 per trade that you take. So if you're someone that's looking to go the day trader route, it can very well be possible that you take 2 to 3 trades per day, every single day, 5 days a week, 20 days out of the month, let's just say if you take the weekends off. So if you're in that state, it definitely will be good. And even for my swing traders out there, I believe somewhere around $10,000 is a decent amount for you to go ahead, put into a trading account, and you would be able to work the markets. Now, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Let's talk about the person that has the extremely big lifestyle. They probably need an outrageous amount of money every single month just to pay their bills. They want to drive the Lambo and all of that stuff. You definitely will need a trading account that has 6 figures. I kind of want to go a little bit extreme and even say 7 figures, but for a good purpose, we'll go ahead and say 6 figures. Let's say $100,000, because that way now, when you go ahead and you put, let's say you get a little bit seasoned, you know what you're doing in the market, your risk tolerance is a little bit better, and now let's say since you have that $100,000 trading account, you decide to go ahead and say, you know what, I'm going to start putting 5% of my overall trading account into this. If it's a trade that I'm not too sure on, let's say I'll go ahead and put 2%. But if you can go ahead and get yourself to the point where you're putting hypothetically 5% in a trade in a $100,000 account, you're putting in $5,000 for every single trade you take as a day trader. Now, going back to that 3-to-1 risk reward ratio, if you have 5,000 in there and you get yourself to the point in your trading journey where you're easily pulling $10,000, $15,000 profit per trade, and let's say you're banging out 2 of them a day, you're really now at a great point in your trading journey where I guess you could say you're at the point where you're just printing money. It doesn't even matter anymore. $100,000. It's in my opinion, that's what you will need in your account to actually, get that rolling. But what I definitely want you guys to know, that's my opinion. You guys can definitely go down below in the comments and let me know your opinion. Let me know what you actually think would be a great amount to achieve whatever goal it actually is you're looking to achieve. And I will see you guys in the next video. Money Making Joey, I'm out of here.